In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide notes on Messenger. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Messenger application. Now from here, you will see all of the notes from your friends here at the top. So when you see notes like this right here, now if you want to hide a note from your friend, you just want to press and hold on that friend, and you will see these options to hide contact or report note. So to hide the note, you just want to simply select hide contact. Now tap on hide, and now that person will be hidden from your account, including his or her notes. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.